In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google on your Apple Watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase some methods that allow you to directly access Google on your Apple Watch. So regardless of the model that you have, you will be able to go over to google.com and search for any query. So the main way of doing this is to actually access google.com through a message. So all that you have to do is send a message to a group chat, to a specific person, or even to yourself containing the link google.com. So type a message to any contact including google.com. The reason why we want to do this is because now you can access your contacts or your messages, SMS, and so on directly through the Apple Watch. And if you visit the messages with that contact that you sent a link to, you can now tap on the message. And by doing this, it is going to automatically open a web browser on google.com. So this seems to be a very direct approach that can be handy. So you will always have the message available, and all that you have to do is visit this conversation and tap on this link. Alternatively, if you don't like this approach, it is weird, or it is not working, you can also ask Siri to display the web page. So ask it to display a web page or show web page and then say google.com. Regardless of which method you choose, you will be able to access the Google website and search for any queries of your liking. So either access it by tapping on a message that contains the Google link, which automatically redirects you into a web browser built into the Apple Watch, or use voice commands to ask it to open a web page or a URL, google.com, and this will display the web view of the website. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.